All right, everybody. Just want to let you know what I got going on. This right here is gonna be a complete rebuild on this SS, man. And I'll tell you what, it is super sweet, nice, clean, professionally done. I'm telling you, the suspension on this rascal is just insane. The wheels and the offset complement the vehicle so much. I'm telling you, I don't even dig these cars like that because for a long time people and the damn steering wheel, come on man, this car is just immaculate. But like I said, I try to stray away from these cars, especially when I used to buy them. And I had one, it was a jalopy, but you know, like I said, somebody just didn't take care of it. But this one right here, they went through it, they did the job. Now I'm gonna do my job. So what I'm gonna end up doing is, this is the first thing I see wrong right here. This is not grounded. That needs to be grounded. We got issues with that. So I'll be redoing the audio in here. You got cables just all over the place. And I wanna say it's pinched down in there. But yeah, all that's gonna be fixed. But I'm telling you, I've dealt with a lot of cars, and this right here really was a nice build. Not overdone, doesn't look all stupid. But man, I'm loving the way it just eats these wheels up. I'm telling you, I wouldn't have never thought that they came out with that. And so this is a 24-inch wheel. I didn't know if it was a 24 or 26. But yeah, the frame's been notched. You got your wheel well brakes in here. Everything is out of the way, no rub, no scrub. I mean, I didn't have any problems pulling it in. As you can see, this car's been driven and the tires aren't even, you know, you don't see any marks on the tires. So therefore it leads me to like, hey, look, somebody did their job when they did this suspension on here. And I'm just like, I'm blown away because I love it. And I want one. I want one. I don't want to bite his style, but I can see the potential in one of these vehicles that I couldn't see before because I'm such a dadgum Mopar freak. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's just I'm big on Mopars. You know what I'm saying? So in saying that, like I said, it's such a joy to see this time machine back, you know what I'm saying, into, you know, an original state, but added his own flavor. And I'm telling you, I'm loving the tub. I just can't stop looking at it. And let's see how deep the daggone wheel is. Okay. Yeah, that's one mean offset. And I'm blown away. I'm blown away by the lip. I'm blown away by the stance. I'm blown away by how clean it is. Nothing's broke in there. I'm gonna fix that radio though. You know, I can't stand the way, you know, if anything is in there, he probably pushed on it a little bit too hard and pushed it back. We're gonna fix that. So I have to be careful with this piece in here, because if I'm not, then, you know, this piece right here costs you. And I guarantee you, it looks like it's new. But man, these things right here are $800 online just for this piece right here. And because they're so sought after now. So like, just like with the door panels are immaculate. So I gotta be careful. And then that's the reason why people bring me their cars, because I'm gonna treat your car just like I treat my own. But yeah. No brakes in here. The dash is not cracked. We're gonna put that mirror back in here. You got the original, like, dude, no one trashed this car. You know, like you don't have 8,000 speakers hanging on and tweeters just dripped all into this and that. They even got the original factory grills back in here. The original rear deck, and I'm telling you, this thing, I want one. Actually, I'm gonna get online. I'm gonna find one, and I want one. I want one bad. Now, I'm not gonna do this to where I'm not gonna bash anybody. I don't know who did it. Care less. But yeah, it comes in because of the audio system. And so guess what? We and me at OCD Audio LLC. I'm located in Centerville, Georgia. You can Google it, and I'll throw it up in the description on where I'm located. I am in the business to give you what you want, and I also fix other people's problems. But in fixing it, if it's trash or if it's not done up to snuff, this is your vehicle that you put a lot of money into to get it how you want to. And all it takes is a hot wire to melt and burn this whole thing to the ground. We don't want that. So like I said, I'm gonna pull everything out. I'm gonna redo it, and then I'm just gonna take some pictures of what it looks like in the trunk, and then I'm gonna turn around. Now you know what? Bump it. Let's see what's in the trunk. Go ahead and get this done. Yeah. Yeah, not bad. Oh, I take that back. All right, let me get a lighter here. Let's go get a lighter. Digging that car, man. All right, now we can see. Let's see what's going on back here. Yeah, there's the mirror. I'm gonna put that back in there. Oh yeah. Too clean to have this shit in here like that. Yeah. Let's say they use zip ties. Obviously they didn't have anything to cut them. Yeah, that just burns my ass. I'll tell you what. I don't understand why people use zip ties if you're not gonna cut them. If I had got my car back and I had, you know, wires zip tied and they weren't cut, man, it wouldn't leave. So, like I said, we got a Salt 4 in here, and we got a good VFL amp. So we're gonna snatch all that out. We're gonna go ahead and redo it. I'll build him a proper box. Let's get that box out of here, and I'm gonna go ahead and start breaking it down today. And then we're gonna go from there. Hey, you gotta stay tuned to my channel. I'm BJ from the 478. I greatly appreciate you checking me out. Stay tuned. I got tons more. I got lots of updates. I got more updates on this Chevelle I'm working on. I'm actually fiberglassing the bottom of the box so I can get the 210 box all the way up in there. And then this will be the bottom of the box, and then I'll wood everything around it. I just needed that hump to stay in here because of the rear end on there, and that way the box will just slide up in here, and then I'm gonna block all this off. So I'll get started on go ahead and running the wires and all that good stuff, because we don't want this car to be back here vibrating all over the place. So I greatly appreciate you tuning into my channel. Thanks. All my proceeds go to helping people in my area code. And if you don't mind, please like and subscribe. Thank you.